Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing our DC-25T-DN-BCD-EOP Countdown Timer. This order is going out to Regeneron, which is a biotech company. This model is going to help regulate how long their medicine can remain out of refrigeration until it has to be put back in again. The way it works is that you set the time via the BCD rotary switches, which can be located on top of the enclosure. You press the start button, and that starts the countdown. And once the timer reaches 0, the Andon light will flash yellow, and the EOP buzzer will go off as well until you press the button to stop it from going off. So now I'm going to showcase how this works in action. So starting off, we're going to set our time, and I want to set it for 10 seconds. So as you see on the top are BCD rotary switches for set minutes and set seconds, and each rotary controls the 4 digits that are in place. So as you can see, I want to set the third BCD rotary switch. So as you can see, I have a flathead screwdriver in my hands. We place this on top of the BCD rotary until it aligns, and then you turn the rotary until you get to your desired time. So like I said before, I want it at 10 seconds. So now we have it set for 10 seconds. And now I'm going to be press our 4mm 3 actuation button. And what that does is it has a start, stop, and a reset function. So I'm going to press down on the button, and that starts the countdown for 10 seconds. So we're just going to wait until it reaches 0 seconds. And once it reaches 0, you'll see that the Andon light is flashing yellow, and our EOP buzzer is going off as well. And you can adjust the volume of the EOP to whatever volume you need it to. So I'm going to press the button to stop the EOP buzzer from going off, and that resets the time back to 10 seconds. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, our enclosure consists of a black powder coated 14 gauge aluminum enclosure that is fingerprint and dust resistant. Its dimensions are 9 inches wide, 4 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. Its display size for its digits are 2.3 inches, and it can be viewed up to 120 feet away. The number of digits it has is 4 digits, and it can count down from a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. For its power type, it is 120 to 240 VAC, and it is powered via a wall adapter with a 6 feet cord. For mounting, we have our 4x4 or 2x4 electrical rough in-box solid teardrop knockouts. We have our multicolored LED Andon light that can display a total of 5 different colors. We also have our heavy-duty momentary actuation 4mm palm switch and palm switch junction box with a 25 feet cable that is connected into the enclosure via a terminal that it can be located on the inside. And lastly, we have our ultra high adjustable intensity end of period buzzer that could sound off at 85 to 95 decibels. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-25T-DN-BCD-EOP Countdown Timer with an EOP buzzer, Andon light, and momentary 3 actuation switch. Thanks for watching.